Today we have the 2022 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 18,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 8 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access valet mode, 4-pass connect, Apple CarPlay, navigation, Bluetooth and mobile apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side.